Hey, it's cloudy in July. Let's brighten the mood with a chicken and peach stir fry. Let's add our chicken. Take that off the heat. Some red bell pepper and red onions. Over 40 of you guys have built your own wok setups. Keep sending me pictures, I'm loving it. Some garlic and ginger, and 2 sliced peaches. Metropolitan Market sent me a whole box of these peaches for their Peach-O-Rama celebration. Add back in our chicken and our sauce. Green onions. Man, check that out. All right, let's plate that up. Let's try that. I've had grilled peaches before, but never something like this. It's actually way better than I expected. Goes super well together.